All right, let's try number 27 out of 7.2. So we would like to rank from smallest to largest sine of 20 degrees, sine of 145 degrees, sine of 35 degrees, sine of 70 degrees, and sine of 150 degrees. Whoa. So how do you start?
Reference angles. Yeah.
Oh, cool. So maybe get out the top half of your unit circle. Why am I only using the top half today?
Reference. Well, not negatives, but bigger than 180.
Yeah, there's no angles that aren't between 0 and 180, right? So I'm top half early. All right, so which angle comes first? 20. Okay, so maybe that's 20 degrees-ish. Then there's, what's the next biggest one?
150.
Oh, that's, you guys see that? So Candace is noticing that 150 is really a lot like 30 degrees shy of 180, right? So that's just like a little bit steeper, right?
Reference angle.
You guys see that? So this one's really 150 degrees that we're talking about here. But the angle that's going to be interesting to us is this 30 degrees. You guys all see that? Okay, so that's that one drawn and that one drawn. And then 35, I think. Which is like a little bit steeper. Maybe I should be putting these out here too. So 20, 35. Let's see what else.
Another 35. But on the opposite side.
Oh, 145 is 35 degrees shy, right? So here's 145, right? And that's 35 degrees in here. Cool. So that's that one, that one. Where's 70 degrees?
In the first quadrant.
First quadrant, something like this, yeah? And that reference angle is what? Yeah, that reference angle is just 70 degrees, right? Okay, so I got my angles drawn. Now, which side's the sine?
The y axis.
Okay, that's the y, right? So what's your biggest y value? 70 degrees? Okay, so what are we supposed to do? Smallest to largest?
Yes.
Smallest to largest. Okay, so sine of 70 degrees is going to be my last one. What's my first one? What's the smallest y value?
20, sine 20.
20?
Degrees.
Okay, so sine of 20 degrees. What's your next smallest y value?
Sine 150.
Sine of 150.
I get it now.
And then next.
Sine of 35.
35 and 145.
Oh yes, 35 and 145 are the same, right?
But wouldn't you do 35 first because it's in the first quadrant?
I don't
Or
know,
does it
they're the
not
same
matter?
size.
Why no use
I guess I'd probably do this. Oh, an amount, right? So if I was listing, I'd probably do this because sine of 35 and sine of 145 are two different ways of saying the same number, right?
Yeah.
So they don't really deserve two places on the list. Cool. Questions, things? Okay.